Hello, my dear friends. Today I'm talking about planets' functionalities. They are given by the following conditions. Good functionalities or bad functionalities. What it means? When it's about good, means that planets are placed in angular or succedent houses. This means that planets become very strong and powerful. These planets also are aspected by benefics. Domicile. It means that the planet in domicile is competent and in control. In exaltation, it's confident and excellence. Free of the sun. I mean, it's not burned by the sun. It means that it's able to work on its own. Invisibility. Has the visibility, is not blind by the sun. In any dignity, it means that place of belonging have in your own resources. When it's in another dignity than exaltation, domicile, it means that it's placed, these planets are placed in the places that having their own resources to work. When it's in direct moving, it means that it's moving forward, so has the strength. This means good functionalities. When we are talking about bad functionalities, it means that planets are placed in cadent houses and have obscure and weak results, or they are aspected by malefics, especially by Saturn and Mars. When they are in detriment or exile, they are losing control and it's hard to achieve something significant, a lot of obstacles. Where it's in fall, also it's ignored, lost or obscure. When it's combust, it's overwhelmed, burdened and not in control. Combust, it's opposition with free of the sun, Peregrine, it's dependent on external resources and help. Retrograde, it means repetition, hiding resources, moving in the cycle. It's time to do something, to rewrite, rethink, readjust and whatever. You have to rework something that in the past you didn't make it properly. I remind you that angular houses are the 1st, the 4th, the 7th and the 10th house. And from this, the 10th house is the most powerful. Succeeding houses, the 2nd, the 11th, the 8th and the 5th house. From these houses, the 11th house is the powerful. Cadent houses, the 3rd, the 6th, the 9th and the 12th. From this, the 9th house is the most powerful. Aspects in Hellenistic astrology are made sign to sign, and orb is used only to deepen the insight of the research. But from the reality, I had observed that the influence of aspects are starting exactly when the planets ingress in the sign. Domicile. Domicile is the one of the 5 dignities of a planet. And I give you an example. Taurus, it's in domicile of Venus. It means also that it's ruled by Venus. Detriment. The sign opposes a planet in domicile. For example, Taurus is in detriment of Mars. Dignity. There are 5 dignities: domicile, exaltation, triplicity, bound, and phase or decan. Combust. What is combust? When planet is between 1 and 7.5 degrees away from sun. So it's burned by the sun. This planet cannot do, is not visible and the power is diminished. What is retrograde planet? When a planet seems to move backwards relative to the signs and fixed stars. What is peregrine means that a planet is defined as peregrine when it has no level of rulership over its position. That is, it's not placed in the signs that it rules, nor those where it's exalted, nor those it rules the triplicity, or the term or phase where it is located. Ptolemy table of essential dignities. The word peregrine comes from Latin terms meaning alien or foreigner, pereger, beyond the borders, beyond one's own land. In Old English, to peregrinate means to wander far from home. Such a planet is therefore seen as having little influence or control over its environment. As you see, this is the table of essential dignities according to Ptolemy. We will talk more about all these dignities, also about triplicity, terms, phases, whatever. So you have patience and you will see my vlogs about it. Have a nice day. Bye.